Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Wayantiara with NPM 224111023. In this video, core values and ethics in organizational change. Next the video. Introduction. Change is something that cannot be avoided in organizational life. Every organizational, whether large or small, will at some point undergo transformation in response to the dynamic of the external environment such as technological development, market competition, regulatory change to customer demand because of internal needs to improve efficiency, innovation, and competitive. However, not at change goes something many organizations fail to change because they ignore fundamental aspects such as core values and ethics. Core values and ethics are not just informative, normative, or complementary things, but important foundational that determine the long term, such as a transformation process. Okay, next definition of core values and ethics. Core values are the fundamental principles or beliefs on which an organizational identity, behavior, and culture are based. These values respect what the organizational consider important, such as honesty, responsibility, cooperation, innovation, service, and sustainability. Core values not only serve as internal guidelines but also shape the organizational image in the eyes of the public in the context of organizational change. Core values as a compass that keeps all forms of adjustment in line with the organizational identity and long-term goals. Meanwhile, organizational ethics is of moral principle that govern the action and decision of individual and group. With the organizational ethic includes aspects of justice, transparency, honesty, respect for human rights, and social responsibility in organizational change. Ethics become very important to ensure the change process is carried out in a fair, respect all parties, and does not harm the collective interest. Next, the importance of core values in organizational change. When an organizational decision to change whether through resource strengthening, adopting new technology, or change business strategy, there will shock its various aspects efficiently in the work culture. This is the importance of core value comes. Core values maintain consistency and continuity of organizational direction in the minds of uncertainty. They serve as the basis for making the right decision, uniting employees' perception and strengthening an essence of community with strong value. Organizations can reduce resistance to change because employees feel the change remains rooted in their shared values. Core values also play an important role in maintaining the organizational credibility in the eyes of customer and partner, as they see that despite change, the organization remains consistent in the principles and responsibilities. Okay, next, ethics in the process of organizational change. Organizational change often bring significant significant impacts both the term of structure, role, and relationship between individuals in the process. Ethics becomes very important to ensure that change take place a fair, transparent, and dignified manner. Ethics demand that management not only focus on the result of efficiency but also pay attention to the process and focus on the result effectively but also attention process impact on the people involved. Ethical principles such as honestly in conveying the reason for chance fairness in the distribution of new roles and responsibility in minimizing harm to employees but should be kept guidelines. For example, when there in the direction in workforce, the process should be conducive with respect for the dignity of employees, proper compensation, and open communication. It is also required leaders to be accountable for their decision and ready to listen to the voice and input of all affected parties. Okay, next, strategies for integrating values and ethics in change. For core values and ethics to truly become part of the change process, organizations need to design clear and systematic strategy. The first step is to ensure that leaders are role models in applying values and ethical principles. A strong and moral leadership will influence the entire organization. Next, the organization needs to conduct training, socialization, and open communication to ensure the all members understand and support the values. Policy and procedure should also be developed based on moral principles that are fair and transparent. In addition, it is important to involve employees and stakeholders in the change process so that they feel heard and values. Providing monitoring and evaluation process is also necessary to measure the extent to which value and ethics are applied the parties and to detect corrective action when definition occur. Next, change in maintaining values and ethics during change. Maintaining value and ethics during the change process is no easy feat. Many organizations are caught up the pressure to move fast and through instant results. They expand a process that should be extended with care and additional acceleration. One of the main challenges is the inconsistency between the values claimed by the organization and the actual practice on the ground. For example, the company claims to uphold fairness, but in the recruiting process, it's the employees discriminatory. Another challenge in resistance from employees who feel their old values are about and are longer valued in the new change. In addition, conflicts of interest, non-exemplary leadership, and lack of open communication can further exacerbate the situation. Therefore, it makes strong commitment from organizational leaders to not only symbolistically promote values and ethics, but to actually integrate them into every policy and action during the change process. Next conclusion, core values and ethics are essential components that should not be overlooked in the process of organizational change amid the pursuit to change quick and essentially organizations that are able to maintain their values and moral principles will have a stronger foundation to survive and grow sustainable value and ethic with organizations to not only focus on result but also on human and response process by uploading how both the organization can create a transformation that is only financially success but also accepted and supported by stakeholders in the long term. This is what started great organizations that survive from those that only grow for a moment. Okay guys, thank you for watching.